Homemade whiskey, or moonshine, was once made by the chilly waters flowing through the woods, using copper pots known as stills to make the liquor. Corn would be turned to vapor in the still, filtered in the thump keg, and condensed into liquid through the worm. The worm, shown here, uses copper tubing, chilled in chilly water, to turn the vapor into liquid. Farmers turned to making moonshine when times got tough, especially during the Great Depression. As all alcohol was made illegal during Prohibition, moonshiners outran the law driving fast cars. This, in turn, gave birth to NASCAR, now a billion-dollar industry. Today, companies like Southern Grace Distilleries and Concord carry on their backwoods tradition legally.